Yo, YouTube, what is going on? So, you found this video because you're searching for a method on how to get free Steam games in 2024. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you how to get any game from the Steam store for free, and it literally takes a few minutes, guys. It takes between 5 and 10 minutes. But this is going to give you a code that you can redeem, so you can add any of the Steam games to the basket, apply this code that I'm going to show you, and it's going to remove the cost, guys, no matter which game. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So you need to use a mobile phone. Doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you can get on the internet. Open up the internet browser of choice and go to this website, www.wavyrewards.com. So Wavy Rewards, guys, this is a rewards website, but it's like no other that I've discovered, actually. This is the easiest rewards website I've found. You can literally follow these instructions. You've just got to complete 2 tasks, and it's going to supply you with a ton of different rewards that you can choose from, including, in this case, the free Steam games. So you can go to this website and follow these instructions. It says click the button below to see your selection of tasks, and make sure you're on a mobile device. Choose and complete 2 of the tasks and follow the instructions carefully, and then you can go ahead, choose and claim your desired reward, where in this case it's any Steam game for free. So basically, guys, you've just got to click on this green button and you're going to see a new screen with a selection of tasks. You just need to follow the instructions and choose and complete 2 of them fully. So these tasks can be things like downloading and playing mobile games until a certain level, for example, or you can answer questions and surveys. Just complete 2 of them. Once you've done that, guys, you will then be redirected to this website here, and this is where you can go ahead and choose anything on this website. So if you followed the instructions on the Wavy Rewards site and completed 2 tasks, everything on here, so you can choose one of these rewards. So just scroll down this page, look for the Steam page if that's what you want. So there we go, Steam gift cards, codes and coupons. Click on that and you can get a free game. It says here, any game for free from the Steam store. So you would then go show coupon, and this code will be unlocked. Obviously, I just skipped forward to save this video being too long. But if you completed the instructions and completed 2 tasks, that code will be revealed, and you can literally redeem it in the Steam basket, and it will remove the cost of whatever game you chose. So that is it, guys. Head on over to Wavy Rewards and just follow these instructions, and that is the best and most simplest method to get a free Steam game in 2024. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.